Mark?
Yeah, that's a great question. Here's a quarter in my pocket. So if I can
someone who cares.
Well, here's a quarter, call someone who cares. Call someone who listens.
If I can. That's a great question, Brian.
I think we haven't moved.
That's a great question, Brian. I have a quarter that was in my pocket.
Call someone.
And if I could stick this into a crack in a stem wall or a slab, that should be the beginning cause of concern. But I've been doing this for 8 years, and I've seen, I've been doing this for probably almost 10 years, and I've seen stuff. Should we start this whole thing over?
Welcome to another episode of You Ask, We Answer, foundation repair, inspections. F it. No, foundation repair that you ask.
Honestly, I like still to provide me a quote or proposal for work if my crawl space is less than 18 inches tall.
Great question. Short answer would be no, right? Cool. Well, okay.
Short answer, no. Hold on. No, what? No, it's no, right?
No, because I forgot I was going to talk to you about it too.
Great over a 4-foot span, but to go throughout the entire house, it's not very accurate, so that's gone. The accuracy on this is within 1% of a degree, so it's very, very accurate. So the great thing about these devices is that they can be within 0.1% as far as the accuracy.
1/10 of an inch. Yeah.
So unlike the level that I showed you a little bit earlier, the accuracy of this is 1/10 of an inch over the span. So the accuracy on this is 1/10 of an inch.
You use that thing every day.
I know.
So keep sending in your questions, and thanks. No, I had another one. Like, what's they or you or thanks for watching.
Here,
Okay, yeah,
checking foundations or something.
something like that. Today's question is: how much room do I need underneath my house to conduct a? How much room do I need in my crawl space? Not house.